Choosing the free embroidery software is not as easy as it might seem because not every digitizing application provides you with all the functionalities to solve this rather tricky problem. Let us present the 5 best free digitizing software. Hi, I'm Jenny from Digitizer. In this video, I will discuss about 5 best and free digitizing embroidery software. So let's get started. Before we continue, guys, please make sure to subscribe to this channel for any upcoming videos. First, My Editor by Wings XP. If you want to make use of a free embroidery digitizing software with agreeable features, then My Editor would surely concern you. With My Editor, you can have a nice viewing and editing experience. You can view actual thread colors and make required changes quite easily. My Editor allows you to see your embroidery designs in a more authentic way. And for that, you can use Preview 3D mode through My Editor is free edition software. Yet this offers you many useful options such as automatic embroidery file emailing, copy-paste option to merge open designs, array tools to produce stunning designs, rotating, and resizing. This is fully compatible with Windows XP 7, 8.1, and 10. So if you guys are looking for free embroidery software with considerable features, then this is something that would suit most of your requirements. My Editor also supports a wide variety of formats. What we can do: preview embroidery design in 3D mode, view actual thread colors, resize and rotate. Modifications with advanced stitch editor, enable automatic embroidery file emailing. Second, SewWhat Pro. SewWhat Pro is significantly adequate digitizing software. It has its own unique and nice features that keep it quite famous among the people who come across embroidery designs daily. This embroidery digitizing software provides you with an editable table that can be used to put important projects information. Some of the exceptional features of SewWhat Pro include graphic separation of different patterns. It also allows you to resize any pattern at the same density. However, this embroidery software is not completely free, but the good news is you can use the trial version for 30 days or 60, and if you purchase this software, it would be totally worth it. This software can be used with the Windows operating system, including XP and Vista. However, this application does not support Mac. What we can do is read and write thread colors, convert files from various sewing manufacturers, edit useful project information in the table, graphic separation. Third, TestViewer. TestViewer embroidery software is among the good ones. It does offer you a lot of features. Let us shed light over them. One of the best features of TestViewer is its redraw design option. It has sewing simulator that also allows you to customize viewing options. You can manually step through the stitches, and if you want, you can even see the whole embroidery process at various speeds. And some additional features, you can adjust the grid size, and you can also get a tool, Proactor, which you can use to measure the size of the angle. Another worth mentioning thing is its taco hide and show stitch color option. With this option, you can customize the design. You can handle color customization with both color cards and the parameters of RGB. Another major feature of TestViewer is matching the size of the hoop. This definitely helps you out in selecting your required size of the hoop. You can match your hoops with the size of your design quite easily, or you can even create your hoops. So collectively, you can get a nice embroidery digitizing software that is also a good converter and file manager. You can enjoy the hidden creativity behind this free embroidery software. What we can do is watch embroidery process at different speeds, manually step through stitches, create your own hoop size, change the display scale on TestViewer screen show, and hide the stitch colors, adjust the grid size, customize colors using RGB parameters and color card. Fourth, ArtSizer. The ArtSizer is a useful embroidery digitizing application. It has a lot of formats to convert to your embroidery files. However, it is not loaded with numerous tools, so you might feel a little lack of options. Still, there are different things you can utilize it for. With ArtSizer, have the full control on how your design will appear on the screen, and if you are coming from the Wilcom Embroidery Studio background, then you will even find yourself familiar with short keys. You could enable this application to have needle points that help you out in displaying the puncture points on the screen. One of the best features of this application is that it holds many household machine formats, including VP3 and ART, which are not quite common in free applications, so you can consider this as a dominant point. Another cool feature is that you can move your design anywhere within the hoop. and not just in the center, that allows you to work in a more flexible way, but there are also an option for automatic centering that moves your design to the center of the hoop, depending on how you want to work. Another major thing is its slow redraw option, which is an effortless simulator that shows your embroidery work. You can enable slow redraw mode by disabling the realistic stitch mode. Every application has its own unique and optional features. If you want to make use of a good converter as free embroidery digitizing application, then Sizer is for you. What we can do: slow redraw option, conversion of most embroidery files, including RNVP, 3 automatic centering, hoop, manual hoop adjustment, needles, point preview, realistic image, and artistic view. Last but not least, Wilcom True Sizer. No wonder you all have already heard about Wilcom Application. It is one of the best and most professional applications so far. If you have not heard about the free version of the Wilcom Application yet, then let us shed light over Wilcom True Sizer. You can download this app from the official website, and the desktop version is recommended as it gives you more options. The great thing about the Wilcom Application is that it serves you as a good converter, but also it is quite easy to use. Some of the best features of Wilcom Application involve the manipulation of the design file. The best things it offers are vertical and horizontal mirroring, mirroring by a reference line, rotation by 45 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise, design transformation. In Wilcom Application, you can display the stitches on screen. Moreover, you can even display the outlines of the design. Displaying the puncture points of the stitches is another valuable thing to mention in Wilcom True Sizer. You can display vectors and bitmap graphics in the native formats, and that benefits you a lot for the editable designs. However, you should definitely not compare these applications to a fully functional version of the Wilcom Application that comes paid, as this version of True Sizer would only offer you limited functionality, and you might not be able to keep up with some of the advanced features, such as combining several designs. But still, if you're considering free digitizing software to try limited functionality with powerful design manipulation features, then Wilcom would not let you down. And this application is quite light, so it will not slow down your digitizing process. We can display stitches on screen, wide variety of design manipulations, displaying point of puncture stitches, display bitmap, and vector graphics. Applique fabric option displays the outline of the object. It is important to keep in mind that these free applications do not come equipped with fully functional and loaded with all the tools you need for your professional and embroidery digitizing. However, you can still get the basic functions by the free embroidery software. At some point, if you're running an embroidery business, you will rely on professional tools such as Wilcom Embroidery Studio, in Brilliance, Hatch Embroidery, Brother Embroidery Software, which is paid. And a better alternative option than choosing embroidery software. Wait, embroidery software is an optional and not compulsory thing to follow. Yes, there is a better option, which is called outsourcing. If you don't want to spend your money and time to learn the software, then outsourcing embroidery digitizing work is the only way to fast-track the working process and get work done. The best part is that you could try Digitizer for free. We hope it will be helpful for you guys. If there's any question related to this video, you can simply ask in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And finally, thanks for watching.